Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you want to track Facebook and Instagram conversions? You always need this Meta Pixel. So in today's tutorial, we're going to talk on how to actually connect Shopify to Meta Pixel in 2026 and what is actually this Meta Pixel. So let's get started. Well, number one, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, the usual stuff. Go all the way to your favorite browser, look for Shopify. Since we're gonna go to the settings and look for the apps and sales. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the home screen. Well, when you create a new account, a new profile, it will be looking like this. Go to the settings here. Then we're gonna go through the apps and sales. Basically, we have this apps first. As you see here, I don't have any app yet. Go all the way to the sales channel, make sure everything is looking good. Point of sale, online store. Now it's time to come back to the apps section. As for now, tap on the Shopify App Store, which will take you to this new window. We're gonna go and look for Facebook and IG by Meta. As for now, we're gonna go install this app, make sure we give it every permission needed, then log in or sign in with your Facebook account. Select the business manager, choose the correct business manager in that account. Then connect it all the way to Meta Pixel. Select or create a Meta Pixel during setup. Then make sure you enable the Conversion API. Turn on Conversion API for server-side tracking, like usual. Then set your data sharing to maximum. This improves tracking accuracy. All you're gonna do now is make sure you go back to Shopify and finish all of your setup. Your new app will be showing here. With your orders, products, analytics, and every other detail. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.